Hope you guys are doing well. So we will be continuing our journey, and we were with with the buttons, control views. In control views, we were with buttons, and then we were trying to add an SF symbol, and then we saw what is leading, horizontal, and trailing in positioning. Okay. Okay, so we were trying to add horizontal spacing here. So let's add it. Let's keep this thing here. This is horizontal, and now you can see horizontal spaces have been added. Now let's go with the button. Let's give it a padding horizontal and the padding. Oh, let's change this to search for Wi-Fi. So this is, I have two text here. Search for, and then you come here. This is text, and then oh, you need SF symbol, right? So you go image, system name, and string is Wi-Fi. Okay, kind of Wi-Fi. Okay, so the logo has come, and then make the foreground style as purple. So the color dot purple, and then I have to add something else. The font is already titled. Let's okay. Let's get this. Okay, this background is not needed now. And here we need to add something. This is horizontal. Oh, this hasn't refreshed, I guess. Did we save it? Why this back? Oh, this has to go. Let's give this a style. Let's so this has to be purple, right? And then okay, let's no, I have given this already over here, so let's get rid of this since all the elements are having that. So comment text, I have a V stack. So this is a V stack, and then you add image system name, and then this is video something, video, and then now I need the fill one, so just add, and then this will be on top. So front of total record, let's have capital, This stack is having some background, so let's give it. Okay, let's give it up. Let's have this as purple. Okay, and now let's add a foreground to it. So this background has to be that rectangular shape, right? So you do that rectangle and then corner radius. Corner radius and then add 25. Is this expected? Oh, this has to go out. Okay, but color has not given me, and now see it's not fitting properly. So add padding from all sides. So I do padding. Let's get rid of this. And now, so what is tint? So it's saying you have a font style. Add this tint. So tint dot tint purple. This has to be white. So yeah, let's add this as ground style. Color dot white. Oh no, something is not proper. Now let's give it before so that there is background style. Color dot white. And then this is tint is purple. Color radius. And then I guess I haven't. This is the entire stack. Why is this background not getting tint? Why is this still black? There's some. This text has gone pink. It has become pink. And what does tint do? What does it do? In Swift. What is the difference between tint and tint versus background? Background color. Okay, does not affect interactive elements. So it's the color. Okay, let's scroll this. Now what is tint? The purpose sense the accent color. Okay, so the problem is background does not send color for buttons. Propagate. Am I overriding it anywhere? Why is this black? So background, foreground is white. I'm giving it a padding. So that is just going to add along the let's add a padding along the x-axis. So it will be at both. Yeah, that is nice. This is not background and font style. There's something which is missing. Why is this getting a black? Is it? No. Background, rounded rectangle, radius. Let's run and see. Sometimes this preview does not load properly. It's loaded right. This has to be. There is some overriding that is happening. I don't know where is the this button is here. No, it's let's this button is here, and why is this side option? Now let's get rid of this. So if I do, yeah, that's. So if I say let there be a padding, and then I say off foreground style, and then let's give it a background. And then corner radius of say. Why is this not propagating? This button. Oh, is it because you don't add this button? And we are, I guess. Then what is now when I do that background, the by default it kind of gives a back. That background is overriding this tint. Okay. My screen recording. So this doesn't stop, right? Okay. Cool. Let's get Xcode. Now then you can add some images. I don't know if I have any images here. I don't have any assets. I only have this. How to add images? Let's get. Anyways, I'll have to. It's just Yosemite. I guess this is like a test image. Yosemite, whatever, how you say it. So, I don't know. Yes, Yosemite image for it will generate, I guess. We'll have to I don't know. Does it generate? This is big. I need small ones. Let's go to Yosemite images. Okay, let's have the Wikipedia one. So this is save images. This has come in desktop, right? So okay, this is the image. Let's drag this. Does this open? Oh no. I need Xcode and that side by side, right? So let's this. Let's get the. Okay. This goes in. Oh. Wait. Let's keep this thing here. And then this is okay. Let's close this. Let's get this thing up. Let's go to content here. It's good. Okay. Now okay. Instead of here I'll have this image and then what's its name? Let's rename. Let's. Does it double click and rename? Oh yeah. Let's do its image. And then let's go to content. Get a string here. And this. Let this be image. Okay. Oh, this is going to take an entire screen though. I have to do something called this resizable. And then do dot. Let's have it. So the width is. So the width I don't know 10 and height I don't. Oh, it might have gone out to it. No. And let my height be something, say 20. No, this is 100. Okay, let's have this like 400. And then let's just make 200. Oh no. This is fair enough. Height and width. Now there is something called as rendering mode. Now in iOS 15 you have to add the rendering mode modifier to make the then And this button is already seen, right? Okay. If you are using a photo for the button control, it should now be fine from yeah, that is prior to iOS 15. You needed to, now it's okay. So let this be a related clip. So go to image, add something. So mine is oh, let's copy this. This is what is going to come here. I have two images, and then let's do that clip. So I do clip and then shape and capsule. Okay. Not needed. Rendering mode is not needed after iOS 15. Now we are 18, so okay, let's add no button style. No button. You can apply button styles. What does it do though? Now the text has become the primary color, black for light mode, white color does not get applied to plain buttons. So what is the need to have a button? You can apply preset button styles to your buttons with the button style modifier. So you can style your buttons, but then I can always do that with tint. Or there are certain preset already stored things. Okay. So if this is text and then no, yeah, yes, but this is the other way of this has something called as button style to your buttons with the button style. Right. I want to dot button style, and then what if I do plain? Let's get rid of image. Let's tab text. Let's have automatic. This is plain. Tint is purple, I guess. So, this is some overriding which is happening. I don't know. Why is this getting overridden? This should be pink, right? If I remove this. Okay, so now there is some. This automatic is going to override something. That is the label, right? If you see it inside sense. Dot button style. Text. Sorry, no, not Yeah, so you are trying to add a button style. I don't know why is this button style overriding my tint. Button style automatic. So these are preset. So this is the button. Yeah, this should come on this button style. Then this should be automatic. Okay. And then yes, this is not. Let's change this thing. This is text in here, and that is border, you know. This is stuff. This is border. Okay. So yeah, only entering this, the border and everything is coming. And yeah, this is something. This is border prominent text and border prominent and come here. Add this button style, and then this is dot. Yeah, border prominent. Okay. And then there is one more redo button. Yeah, action. Let the action be inside. So yeah, let's not turn it outside. This is, and then this is an empty closure. Let's text that says plain. So you write plain. There's a button style and then dot plain. But again, this is not. This is an button style. Let's have this thing. It should override it though. And then this is plain. So mention plain. Oh, oh yeah, plain is correct without anything. And then you have one more is borderless. You come here and click here. This is borderless. This is dot borderless. This is without border. Control size. Using control size to change the amount of padding around the content. You mean, in other words, the content now here. These are again inbuilt preset. Instead of adding padding, you directly do dot control. Okay, so this is the text. First is border hyphen mini. So you can come in here and change this to mini. Okay. Come here, change this text. Wait. And then second is border small. Come here. Text is border regular. And third is border large. Second bordered large, and for this, that's, let this be plain. Okay, now let's, this is control size. Control size, this is dot mini. Again, these are preset for buttons. And control size dot small. Then you come here and control size. This is dot large. What happened? Control size mini small. Spacing is okay. Borderless, but then there is no border in all of them. Why? This is mini, right? Okay, this is the text. Oh, and then to the stack, I'm going to add something here. This is dot, and this is pattern style, and this is dot border. So I bordered mini, bordered small, bordered regular, bordered large. Yeah, so this is all happening on its own. It's getting the circular thing, and this is by default. I'm not doing anything. So this is the button style, and see the padding, how it's different. This is very far on both sides. Okay. Now there is something called as the role parameter to specify the kind of button you have. Okay, these are again inbuilt. So how will I do it in action? This is not the action level thing. Oh yeah, you can change this, right? The by default it will be something. So this is text. And then there is something called as, no, this action has to come out. Specify the kind of button you have. So this is cancel. Oh, am I referencing it somewhere else, so I can refer it using dot destructive? Is that what it's trying to say? But then this is, how is this going to be? The second parameter is the text. Just come out. Does role go in this? I don't know if it takes, I don't know, something to extend this. Yeah, this won't work in this. I have to use, this is button. Oh, this one I have to use. This is title role action. This one. So I can get the action outside. Title is the string that needs to be passed, and okay, so I can get this no. So I don't want to delete everything. No. No, oh no, let's give, it's this, right? Yeah, this. Okay, I can add this as normal. There is no normal in this, so and no need of extra parameters. No, cannot. This is cannot convert type string. What happened? Wait, needless. Why is, oh, the last is action, right? So you can get that out of the closure incoming. This is, yeah, normal has come out. All you can do is action this way and empty. So come here. This, no, this one. That is destructive. Cancel and yeah. Kind of gets like a different thing. So, okay. Button border shape. Um, Button border shape. Again, this is something that is inbuilt. By default, when you do that button style bar, some styling will come on that. And then if I want to change it into capsule, we just add that capsule. Okay. Or disable. Oh, this is something. Now there is a modifier called as dot disable. Suppose, yeah, there won't be any user interaction if it's, I do, let's get rid of this. So disable and then pass some boolean in it. Remember how it changes the state, right? Now initialize with image. What is this? Again, this is something which is inside. So you have a button repeat. So every time you press that button, can long press a button to have its code repeated continuously. Okay. Disabled is something that I saw. Even role, for role you have to go on to that other style. And then this is initializing with images. What is it doing here? I have a button image. With image, with a sub. Button can be created by specifying. Oh, so repeat is, you can repeat that same of code for long press. Okay. Disable is going to disable that option, I think. Yeah. The repeat behavior is okay. Role destructive control. Yeah, this is Mm, that's all for this lecture. See you guys in the next. Oh no, before ending the lecture, let's make some notes for buttons so that we can have it stored. Let's add some notes for buttons. Yeah, it's we were doing with control views, and in that first one was button view. Now in button view you have different options, right? So first is button text rule, and then you have this is one version. This is a closure, right? It's a empty function void. Then you have button. You do parentheses, and then you have label colon parentheses. This is then you have okay. Mm, yeah. So text by default. In horizontal, you have edge stack, right? And then you can have a background. Yeah, so there are two ways to do this. When you add backgrounds, no, sorry, adding border, border, and so the first is do background. and then clip shape. Second one is yeah, you do no, sorry, border. One is you give it a border directly apply border. This is border directly. Other is using shape and stroke. Not a stroke though. This will outline the shape. This is stroke. And then again background we know, right? Give it a background directly. With images, okay. And there are certain certain preset lines. So the first is button. You get a button style. Then next is control size. And third is role is okay. Invent. You have button border shape. And there is tint versus background. This is something. Yeah, this is something. Tint is very specific, I guess. I said. Let's tint. This is background. Sets the accent color for entire clip. Now what is accent color? What is this?